Howdy folks, Jason here, installing the new DropTech 14-inch HP G5 Chromebook case from Gumdrop Cases. It's a two-piece co-molded case that's perfectly designed to fit the 14-inch HP G5 Chromebook. The outer edges are protected by a rugged thermoplastic polyurethane, or TPU if that's too much of a mouthful, a type of super tough impact-absorbing material, and drop air cell protective corners act like little airbags to protect your Chromebook from even the worst drops. The clear polycarbonate shell allows for easily visible and scannable asset tags on both the top and the bottom, and rubberized feet prevent it from sliding along any surface. The case is slim enough to fit into any charging cart, but strong enough to protect the G5 from drops of up to 4 feet. Alright, let's get this installed before I drop this Chromebook G5. First, separate the two halves of the case, place the laptop into the bottom half, then snap it into place. Then take the lid and press that into place as well. And that's all there is to it. You're protected and ready to go.